Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to earn USDT in Binance. Now, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and make sure that you have a verified Binance account. All right. Now, after that, go ahead and open up the Binance app. Now, once you're in here, we have this option in the dashboard itself, Earn. If you don't have Earn in here, go to the top left and tap on the Binance icon. Just tap on it. And here we have the Earn option as well. Okay, so what we're going to do is just tap on it, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as the title suggests, we need to learn how to earn USDT in Binance. So, all right, so as you can see here, the recommended networks right here have USDT. And at the bottom, we have the low risk product, USDT as well, which has an APR of 8.02%. which is pretty good. So I'm just going to tap on it. Now in this section, we have the amount. We can type in the desired amount right here. The minimum would be 0.1. All right. If you want to max it out, all of your balance will be written in here. So say, for example, I'm just going to type in the minimum 0.1. Okay. I'm going to hit on done. And here is the estimated daily rewards. All right. This one. Now, once you're sure that you want to stake this amount, just go ahead and tap on the tick box right here that says you agreed to the Binance Simple Earn Service Agreement. Once that's done, just hit on confirm, wait for it, and it says here subscription successful. Just go ahead over to Go to Earn Wallet and you're good to go. All right. That's basically how you earn USDT in Binance. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.